Alrighty then guys, we have a free assets on a marketplace today. It's available until October 21 and we are into a horror, we are into a multiplayer and into some pawn shops, so let's check it out. You have a link in the description below, so don't forget to download them. If you are into cinematic environments or dark fantasy vibes, this abandoned cathedral is just super nice. We got arches, we got buildings, we got mossy textures, we got lighting that looks like something straight out of a Dark Souls game. So check it out. It comes with a finished map, so you can just drop in your character and start playing. Everything is optimized and work with the Nanite and Lumen, so make sure to keep them up. Enable Nanite and Lumen, don't forget that, otherwise. Honestly, it's modular, which is a big plus and definitely an asset worth checking out. So next we have advanced asymmetrical multiplayer. It's Dead by Daylight style multiplayer, prop hunt style games. One player is a killer, other survivors, you know that things, and this template gives you the framework that you can work on. And the best thing is that we have a main menu, we have a hosting and joining and network replication all working straight out of the box, from the box, straight out the box, straight out of Compton. You can play as a killer from the first person perspective or third person, but as a survivor you can play only in the third person mode. And good thing is it uses Unreal animations and Paragon animations, so you don't need to worry about finding replacements and so on. Also we have a great documentation, and if you want to learn from the documentation, this is a big plus if you want to reverse engineer those things, those templates. Lastly, we have a pawn shop. It's a bit different, but it's super useful, and basically it's a full economy setup with a working shopkeeper, with a working inventory and ATM system. It's perfect if you are making RPG, open world game or some life simulator. It comes with 2 demo items, each jewelry and paintings, but everything else is fully customizable and you can add as much items as you want. Tweak the values and the UI will automatically adapt because it's built with scroll boxes, so you can have infinite items in your inventory. So no overlapping or broken layouts. You can withdraw, you can deposit, you can track your transactions. Basically we have a tiny banking system already implemented, so even for this system I think this asset is worth downloading and worth using. Everything is blueprint based, which is super awesome, and it also integrates with other systems and frameworks from the same author. It's a Dark Dream studio, but honestly even this basic pawn shop is actually very good. So to wrap it up, we have abandoned cathedral, we have advanced asymmetrical multiplayer, and we have a pawn shop system. Very good assets this week, and definitely download it, don't forget it. I will put a community post when it's about to end this deal, so you don't skip it. Thanks for watching and see you in some other video. If you want to learn about Unreal, check out the channel, and bye bye.